hate my truck cause you can't climb out of it. And I'll admit it, girl, I said it and I meant it. Yeah, I loved you for a minute, but we damn sure different. It's been a week since you went and hit the highway and made it clear that I ought to have it my way. But my way looks a whole lot better with just my truck in the drive.